Hey everyone, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to use Slaughterbeck Floor's Floor Visualizer tool. This tool will allow you to upload a photo of your room and see how various floor samples would look from a couple select brands that we carry. To begin with, go to slaughterbeckfloors.com and click on Floor Visualizer. And then once you get to that page, you want to click on the pulsating icon in the bottom right and then select on one of the brands that pops up. I'm going to go with Monarch, which is well known for some of the finest hardwood flooring options available today. Then you can pick on one of the stock photos that they have, or you can even upload your own picture of one of the rooms that you're looking at. I'm going to upload a photo here. I'm going to choose a generic stock photo that I have. And then on the left-hand side, you're able to filter by your favorites that you highlight, so you can click on the different options to highlight your favorite choices. You can filter by materials. You can also filter by the different colors and collections and even species. So on the left hand side, I'll click on a few of these here. You'll notice that the image is automatically updating after I click on these different options to give you a view of what that particular floor is going to look like. And you can even rotate the surface as well. So you just click on this button here to rotate the different flooring options. So this tool is really awesome because it's able to give you an instant view of what the floors will look like in your home. So you're able to jot down colors, names, ideas, and then bring them into our showroom in Campbell, and you can take some of these some of our samples home with you. And you can also give a call to one of our staff members who would be glad to assist you, and we can even offer a free consultation at your home. We're located at 730 Camden Avenue in Campbell, and you can reach us by phone by calling 408-379-5813, or you can connect with us through our contact page at slaughterbeckfloors.com. Thank you.